zero similarity. So we will check your work. So while I am checking, I'm ready. Kindly turn off your mic so you cannot disturb. Then if you have questions or clarification, you can unmute it. Then please turn on your camera for me to know if you are listening. Basin niya nangatulog rin mo diya. On ang mic pero turn on ang camera. Okay, taon na to ning wala ba yung mga ligo. Bago pang gihulbot sa koan. Sila ang mga kwarto-kwarto. Oh, Kuya Bas, ano mo ka diya? Gawin sa mo ka? Tulog na guro na eh. Usually, mag-turn up ang camera, turn off ning mic, kuha na. Biyaan ra. Absent ni ron, hindi turn on. Okay, so. Asa na siya ron? Turn off na siyang ikuan. Okay, so can you see my screen? Sure mo nakikita na ang screen? Or kung pang na makita? Let me know if makita na ang screen. Ang screen. Ano yung screen? Okay, very good. So, who submitted your proposal? Si mag-submit na ako. Yanopol, Yudolin. Okay. So, makita rin yung screen. I am opening your proposal right now.
So, from this A, like that, by using the
We'll wait for it will appear. Okay, loading ko man.
By dividing both sides by this, we will get this one. This equation.
Okay, university contract tracing using ID card and QR code. ID card with QR code. Okay. So, have you tried to kisa ba inyong gipamutanaan ni idea inside the NERSU? It is NERSU? It is NERSU Baez campus? This university? So, in what university man? In all university in Negros? Or when we are just applying it to a certain university? Okay, so we will name it to contract tracing. Okay, contract. You can see on the private comments. Contract tracing, record management system. Okay, for NERSU Baez City Campus. We don't have ID card and with QR code. It's just another we call it. It is just a hardware for you to use. So do not put it on your title. Okay lang. Record management. So the tool is. This is the tools that you are going to use. So contact tracing record management. The contact tracing record management system for NERSU Baez Campus. So that is probably the nice title for your project. So did somebody you asked for this title aside from me? Na you tried to contact with mga higher authorities in NERSU, for example ni Dr. Recto, sa HR. So all these point of view that you have mentioned here came from you guys. So wala mo yung idea. So wala pala yung mga inputs na ginakuan. So we will read what would be what is your thought is all about, and we will going to translate it. Okay? So your project context is this university contract tracing using QR code system. Rooms and offices is designed for faculty members, campus, research staff, and students to find difficulty in keeping records and accurately track the ins and out of the COVID-19 Kasi pasabot din yung university contract tracing using QR code for supervised rooms and offices is designed for faculty members, campus administrators, staff, and students who find difficulty in keeping records and an accurate track of ins and outs due to COVID-19. Medyo blurry, we will highlight the text na lang. So muna siya. It's all about for this one. Confusing.
Times 37.
So let me na lang how it is. In my side na lang, I will give you what is contract tracing really in record management, no? So muna siya nakapasulay naman siguro mo sulod og mga establishment during this pandemic. Isa may nakasulay. Sulay atong Jollibee. Di ba, when you enter Jollibee, you have a form to fill up, and you drop it on the box. Di ba? So that is contact tracing. So ano man, as a drop off, parang if ever there will be cases like maingon na that particular patient or that person came to Jollibee on that particular day, katong mga tanan na adto tong day ilahang ma-trace directly, di ba? So eto i-imagine ng Jollibee, they don't have automated, they have writing it up. So they will spend time for searching those who sila box siguro segregated na that is the form na gi-fill up on that day, pero ilang pang bulungon tanan, ilang pa dito i-record usog, di ba? So na inyo na picture si Jollibee, we will bring it to Norsu. Si Norsu, pag sulod nimo sa gate na ay security guard. Sa security guard yung pag sa security guard, he will ask kung ang sa imong name, sa taga-asa ka, pilang edad, then purpose, yung asa ka na opisina mo adto, yung temperature, ano yung gipangayo. Pag abot nimo sa, for example, madto ka sa registrar's office. Sa registrar's office po, na ako na siya fill up pala na form dito. Kasi mo ngalan, unsay mo taga-asa ka, pilang edad, unsay purpose, yung temperature na po. Mo na siya. So, imagine madto ka register, fill up ka. Matuwag din sa office, fill up dapat ka ng form. Di madto ka any other, you go to any other offices, you will go to the form for you to fill up the date, the time that you go to that room for the AC tracing kung asa to, kung sa napitan na to. So wala siya in and outs. So basically it's just recording yourself asa ka dapat to na offices. So inyong buhaton is to create a system to be automated. Na for example, if you are now a student in NORSU or an employee of NORSU, you have an ID. So you don't need na to fill up the form because very time consuming. About sa gate, about sa kuhan. So you just point it onto a device, and like what you say is the QR code. So your ID will be placed a point into the QR code. It will redirect in logbook. Diba? So automatically kung sa malaman da imong isulat dito, or it will be the guard or someone na ato dito is only the temperature na lang imong i-encode, yung i-encode. Kasi ang temperature man may di niya ma-capture. Temperature, yung pagkauma na po dito. Pero maideyahan na ninyo na automatic po ang temperature inyo ma-capture. Ang temperature inyo ma-automatic ma-capture, mas tindot din siya kaayo. Hindi na siya, wala na siya i-fill up. Nagabantay mo sa Jollibee. Wala mo gamit sa computer. Yan na, automatic na temperature. Di mata kayo, kamantay mo sa Jollibee. Pasiron pa man mo, pasiron na temperature. Atong temperature mo, tayin nyo ang isulat. So every offices and classrooms in NORSU has that feature. Pero sa inyo isa lang. Because this is a prototype lang. If it will be properly proposed and developed, then NORSU will purchase those materials and every QR code in every room, QR code scanner in every room and offices, diba? And that device tungkol sa temperature checker. So, pero inyo usa lang kay kuan lang mo ni, it is just a prototype. So man yung kanang inyo kanang ito ang i-title niyo na automate is contact tracing record management system. First is logbook. Pagka man makita dito sa reporting in each ma-reporting na in that CAS 5. So CAS 5 mo na yung mga tao ni sulod that particular day time, diba? Na siya. Pwede gina siya. Okay, pwede gina na ibutang na in o out. Okay, sa Jollibee wala mga ibutang in o out basta kay naka-adtura ka dito. At least makabalobod. At least makabalopod ka ba na makabalo ang sa establishment na pila ka oras ka diyan ni pundo. Diba? Sige, sa Jollibee wala ra man mo magsud ka diya, mora man na imo ang ikuanan. So, you have so pag out wala ra man out. So basically mo na inyo buhaton. Sabot mo sa inyo purpose in how you're going to solve the problem. Ay di mo na kasi problem kung wala kay purpose. Sao man na. So karon as I read to continue, the Negros Oriental State University campus has presently 5 universities. The Negros Oriental State University campuses has presently 5 universities and one of those is colleges. One of 5 universities, 5 colleges. My goodness. Colleges. And one of those are colleges of science and one of those. Really one of those. Mayroon one of those. See, namely na siya. Namely or yung mo mag-mention. Yung man siya. Namely or, diba? So observe the entire workplaces to legitimate framework as observe the entirety of the workplaces to legitimate framework of working. Ilaw kasabot sa inyong dire. I don't know sa pasabot ana. I cannot understand. So mana use simple English so that everyone can understand. And I don't know what is the thought is for this one. As observe the entirety of the work places has no legitimate framework to build with the intricate details and that set aside more effort to follow if at any point there is a tainted individual. May mangutana ko niyo, si pasabot niyo aning paragrapa. No legitimate framework to deal with the intricate details and set aside more effort to sige lang, use simple English. So manig sobrang sige mo ba synonym sa ani? Use simple English to understand it clear. Yung man siya ang research man yun guys is not pagpalalumay English. Sabtanay sa mo ganahang pasabot this research. So, the more kang mo gamit og mga words na laglo na dili masabutan, di should kayo masabutan mo yung research. So, simple English will do. So, project context. You should know, yung project context wala siya na yun na wala siyang maayo o wahig is because you don't even know what is the flow of the tracing in the university and what are the problems really for the instructor and the staff. For this time, only the instructor and staff has a difficulty in logging in and logging out for the forms, and also the management also wala kayo sila na effective. So that is why you will going to know what are the problems that really needed for solving. So, ang problem ron, kanang pag-trace, kung pila ka oras ni stay na pisanaha, during that very short of period of time, how many people did you potentially meet because sa reporting, for example, si Hanopol, niadto sa CAS 5, alas 10 sa buntag, yung ni-out siya og alas 12, yun, ikaw po, ang parado niya ito sa CAS 5:11, yun, ikawas ra po ka o 11:30. So, pag, for example, ako po, niya sulod niya ito po, yan, ko sa CAS 5, alas 8:30, but alas 12, then, ingon sila na, I am positive, naka-positive ko. So, mabulong sa system, kita na, si Benhart, ito atong CAS 5, alas 8, abot alas 12, so makita tanan sa system, redirecta na, those people na iyahang nahalubilo, potentially nahalubilo for that specific date and time. Madali kayo. Namo din si Kuan, si Hanopol, o si Amparado, because muna, namamuato kung tayo mo. Pag-click ni mo atong ngalan, for example, the name of that, makita dahil kung kisay iyahang mga kauban. Kaya ginana gani na the personality. So, man yung mga nakanalisod makay na walay system. May magsib mo, magbahig-bahig. So, sa itong mga orasaha, di ba? So, because of the system, dali lang siya. Dali i-manage. So, I want you to improve. So, I want you to create and have an idea also. You can contact me during Saturdays para ma-guided mo. Pero ako kontak ka these days kayo na mismo ko. Pwede mo makontak na si Dr. Kalumpa with regards to his perception also in contact tracing for you to the more brains you ask, the better ideas will come. The more ideas will also kayo mga pilian. Okay, among mga perspective, magkaipon-ipon, you can get usang mga ganahan may tabukod for you to improve your work. Sana lang na kung may laing mga suod na mga instructors, like sila sa Reyes, or Julius, mga tanang perspective of contact tracing. And also, you can also search it on the internet how some universities or any establishments done their contact tracing, how have done it automatedly. So parang may idea because this is a new thing for us. So at least natay mga backbone, natay ipang research because napoy gagamaan ay develop for this period of time. So for you to clearly state what is the generally problem, what is the problems that you are going to solve. Because in here you stated only few things and never really mention what are the problems. The second paragraph probably is not really intended. Pwede na wala. You're just describing where is the workplace. No? Pero wala gigaga. So, tigko ka sa problema. Masayang problema. You state it here, pero wala. Okay? Ikaw na lang ni Henopol Habilin. Mani, nawala na siyang parado. So, ako ganahan ninyo is to call some of the instructors and get idea about contact tracing, improve your work, and I will be giving you another deadline. Will be on December 31 to improve your work. Okay? Once na ang project context not necessarily wala siya mayo og formulate sa imo pong purpose and description, makakabulong si purpose nimo yung university contract tracing using QR code system information source and information of the faculty members. Okay, this is not intended for the purpose and description. This is can be put on the scope and limitation. So, na naman kay purpose. Ano naman kay purpose? Because you already have the problems. Kung saan mo ito yung problems dire. So, what are the imo to siya solve baron na piece by piece. Do not mention na the system alone, the system will solve the problem. I-bit by bit ni mo siya. It is small chunks. Kung muna yung problema mo na yung solution. One feature na sa system. Kung muna yung problema mo pa na yung solution. Problem mo na siya usap sa system. And bit by bit ninyo. So this is the purpose of description. Because the more you describe the solution of the problem, that is intended here on this portion. Kaning capability of the system, kung siyang mabuhat, automatic record, blah blah blah, it is under the scope. Kung siyang capability, kung siyang mabuhat, sa tanan, ito sa scope. So, not well organized for project content can lead you to not organized purpose and description and also objectives. Ano sa may mga objective? To develop a system to easy tracking of tracing, contact tracing of all the employees and staff, our students in our surveys. Kung may lain, so may nimo na objectives, ibutang mo siya tulo ra pabo. Kanay mo objectives, mugawas na siya once you have already your problems. Okay, siyempre, kung sa imong solusyon, ano yung objectives? Kasi mo ganang may tabo sa system, that's for your objectives. So once na naman kayo objectives, what are the features, the scope? Pila ka book user imong system, unsay ang buhaton, unsay kinahanglan na buhaton niya pag automatic ra, kung sa reporting, unsay ang capability sa reporting, sa tanan among gawas, sa klase na report mugawas, sa limitation, unsay may ang limitation, dili siya mo-work kung walay kurente. If you will going to include UPS, siguro to na to kuan na to dili siya mo maraog continue ra yung service if na blackout. Limitation for this moment, we only have one prototype since of the we call it your budget as a student. You cannot afford to buy each room a QR code. So this is a prototype. We only have one QR code for that, and then you will just use it like uban lang. Sa uban lang. Banan lang, that is a scope and limitation. So, ato sa namin i-improve. You can call me on Saturday. You can also call me. Call Dr. Kalumpang, uban mga instructors regarding with tracing study, or mag-research for you to gain much more understanding about what really is contact tracing. Kuha ninyo. Kuha. So, ang new na atong new kuan is December, no deadline for this revised proposal will be December 31, 2020. So, please record or document if nag-interview mo lang Dr. Kalumpang or nako for me to support, no, document all the interview of some of the faculty in Norsubais, faculty and staff in Norsubais. So, interview record ng document all interviews. Siya. So, we will meet again January 2021. So, because mag-look back mo dapat to every time. So, this will serve as your midterm. So, if di nyo ma-pass ninyo yung 2021, wala may midterm grade. Okay? So, in order to you to revise, please first call your instructors, some of the instructors and staff here in Norsubais for you to gain much more understanding about contact tracing. And also in Google, probably there is some of ideas there you can get. So the title is good. I will is good. Pero sa project context, murag hindi siya maayo. Okay? Purposeful, dili gid siya maayo kay tungod sa dili maayo ang project context, dito siya maayo. Basta ang objectives wala maayo og bagay. For the format, you're following the format. Any question? Any question, guys? December 31 is the deadline. December 31. So, any questions, clarifications? For the device, you can only buy one lang. Like 600 naman po noon siguro na. Mag-develop sa system. Last na ang device. Last na ang device. Input raman na. Pwede raman kang mag-coding aning ID number lang. For the meantime, wala pa tayo device. So, on December, I will be starting a tutorial for Mikla system. Hopefully, you can follow it. So, you can please na lang subscribe to my channel for you to be aware of my new updates on YouTube. So, this session was also recorded, and later I will be rendering it, and after I will be posting it on our YouTube channel. So lantaw lang yun dito for your recap para masabtan ko din ninyo. Okay, so any questions? Ano Paul? Cuevas absently ko anything. And then tingograph mo na. Okay, so kung wala na may questions, thank you for joining. Have a good day. God bless everyone. Keep safe. Bye-bye.